It's been another very busy week on the Kingston dock. Gravel that has provided a firm base for operations on the North Finger dock is being moved. On the South Finger dock, new bollards are being placed for future installation. There's some templating involved here. Preparations are being made to lay concrete for a sidewalk by the passenger terminal. Work behind the old passenger terminal will continue throughout the week. With all the mounts now in place, work on hanging the fenders on the inside of the South Finger dock begins. These are substantial structures requiring careful handling. Work on the sidewalk continues, and there's attention being paid to the glazing. By Thursday, the last of the fenders are being positioned. On the north side, repositioning of gravel is occurring and protective covers are being removed. Inclement weather may not have helped and could have caused postponement of some work. An overnight dusting of snow created the conditions you can see. It seems clear that work on bollards is to follow shortly. Work on the gravel area on the north side continues, and the intent will become clearer in the week ahead. These survey checks suggest there's much more to come behind the existing passenger terminal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.